Cloud computing and sustainability.
Cloud computing allows for an increase in energy efficiency while ensuring the security and validity of the data stored.
Currently, data centers consume large amounts of energy every year, in total 91 billion kilowatt hours in 2013 alone. However, most of this consumption is by regular businesses rather than cloud companies. This energy consumption produces 200 million metric tons of carbon dioxide, leaving a large carbon footprint. The scale of this energy cost is alarming and unknown by the general public. For comparison, it is estimated that Google alone consumes about the same amount of energy as the entire country of Turkey.
Starting around 2006, power usage effectiveness, or PUE, has been the metric of choice for the data center industry. It's a fairly simple measurement of a data center's total power usage to that of its IT equipment. It's more of a metric of efficiency than of environmental impact. PUE only looks to the internal operations of the data center, not where its energy comes from or how much energy a data center actually uses, nor does it look at the contribution to the overall carbon footprint left behind. Although the National Resources Defense Council projects a 53% increase in data center energy use over a 7-year period, these estimates are outdated as energy consumption by data centers continues to increase. We want to propose a solution to mitigate these energy costs.
Why would large-scale migration to the cloud be more efficient? Smaller businesses are not as concerned with optimizing energy consumption if performance is not affected, having only to manage lower numbers of on-site servers. However, as cloud technologies continue to evolve, it is also becoming more cost-efficient for businesses to pay for services on demand in the cloud. In this way, cloud companies manage data for many clients using remote data centers. Shared infrastructure for increasing numbers of clients enables greater optimization, as loads can be better balanced between servers. A more globally optimum division of resources can also be achieved, with the cloud company acting as a centralized manager. A 6-month study led by Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory with funding from Google has found that moving common software applications used by 86 million U.S. workers to the cloud could save enough electricity annually to power Los Angeles for a year. The study looked at the most common business applications for cloud storage, including email, customer relationship management software, and bundled productivity software. There can be an estimated 87% reduction in energy expense. A primary goal of the study was to develop a model that both researchers and the general public could use to analyze the energy and carbon impacts of cloud computing. This is the first time such a model is available to the public in open access form.
Migration of data to the cloud comes with assured security by use of encryption methods and guarantees of integrity of the data. This is a topic of research as new security methods continue to be developed with little cost of performance. Netflix, a company known for its streaming video services, used to boast that its streaming service was environmentally conscious. However, even with their recent transition to AWS, Amazon's cloud service, they continue to be reliant on older infrastructure. Netflix operates its own content delivery network to optimize delivery of its streaming video and keeps multiple copies of its entire video library in storage in case of failure. Netflix also operates equipment inside the data centers of some internet providers who have agreed to bring video caches in-house in order to improve service for their users. Although a great example of a company attempting to improve its environmental impact, Netflix, along with many other internet companies, has more they can do.
Attraction to the cloud continues to increase, and with a larger scale migration to the cloud, we would see greater positive impact on the environment. Reduction of large energy costs would help reduce the emission of greenhouse gases while pushing society in a more technologically advanced direction.